Here in East Texas, two candidates are vying for the seat of State Senate District 1.
Incumbent Senator Brian Hughes, who's also finishing his first term, is being challenged by an East Texas social worker, Audrey Spanko.
KETK's My Owen sat down with both candidates. Tonight, she takes a close-up at their campaigns and what they stand for.
It's a Mineola matchup. East Texas natives Republican Senator Brian Hughes running for re-election against political newcomer, Democratic challenger Audrey Spanko. Hughes has spent the last 4 years in Austin. His focus in a second term would be social justice and law enforcement, as Republican leaders condemn efforts to defund police.
The job is tough enough anyway, and with all that's going on, it's especially challenging, so that's a big priority for us.
Before he became senator, Hughes represented District 5 in the Texas House, touring Houston when it was devastated by Hurricane Harvey, pushing for border security. Back in 2017, Hughes was the first to co-author a pay raise for Texas teachers.
Involve parents and great teachers. And we're thankful to have both of those around here. But those teachers, they were long overdue for some help.
Another major priority for Hughes, helping the families of law enforcement officers, firefighters, and public employees who die in the line of duty.
Sadly, that happens. It happens way too often. In fact, if you look at Texas, we lose more officers in the line of duty than any other state, even states with bigger populations than ours.
The bill sponsored by Senator Hughes would give families financial assistance after their loved one passes away.
It's still not enough. We can never replace that lost loved one, but we owed that to them.
District 1 includes 16 counties across East Texas. Since 1996, Republicans have maintained control over this Senate seat. And for the first time in 8 years, a Democratic challenger is now on the ballot.
She's a very sharp lady, and she's getting her ideas out there, and I'm encouraging folks to look at where I stand, look at where she stands, and make their decision. I'm very comfortable that the Republican Party today represents our values.
But Spanko wants to see change.
He was on challenge during the general of the last election 4 years ago. So I don't know that that was a true representation for East Texas.
Spanko has spent her career helping people find stable housing and access to medical treatment, advocating for children, women, and families.
I saw a lot of struggle working as a social worker and know that we could change that. We can make things better for Texas if we elect leaders who are ready to fight for Texas.
Her focus is on health care. The Texas Medical Association shows the state has the highest rate of uninsured residents with 5 million, a high number Spanko says needs to come down.
Priority is definitely to expand Medicaid and to make sure that individuals in East Texas have health insurance.
It's a personal mission for her. At the age of 55, her father had a massive heart attack while she was in high school.
We've had 4 rural hospitals closed in East Texas, and had we been in one of those areas without that hospital, I'm not sure that my father would be alive with me today.
Highlighting a need for closer hospitals, emergency vehicles, insurance, and access. Hughes and Spanko agree this year during a pandemic, this election season is one for the books.
Say this is the most important election of our lifetime. I'm sure you've heard that. This one really is.
My Owens, KETK News.